Okay, now what we are discussing?
Adding a parent field.
Parent field is not required. Instead of that, let's do this now. Your child has your child and child name,
Okay.
student name.
But parent
Yes.
phone number at least we needed, right? To
Why
trigger
do
that SMS.
see the building that coding is all developers work. We are not doing that. We are just writing some. So
Okay,
just
okay.
we are just updating in this process builder. We are just updating that field with this message.
Okay. Okay.
Your child, the student name are secured. This secured marks.
Naveen, your screen is not shared.
Like this, your child and the child name, a secured
Okay.
marks percentage. Please
Meet the class teacher, or please meet the teacher or
the
dean's office.
ad- admin, university admin or whatever, university staff or any issues. Okay, thanks. Now what we want to make the dynamic content, the student name and the marks percentage. Okay,
Okay.
how to get that? What field we want?
Student name.
Copy this. Your child name. Now here we have to do remember one thing. Before using this API names here, the dynamic context name, we have to put the information in the double quotes like this till it till this uh, till this starting point, and then we have to click on the plus button. Okay.
Okay.
And after that, one more plus and double quotes till here. Then what is the next field we want?
Marks percentage.
That's percentage. You need to add a row.
I'm just taking this to get the API name, the full field name. Student underscore C is what? Underscore C is the object. Dot
Customize
marks
object.
underscore percentage underscore C is the field name of Salesforce. So we have to take complete name. Like okay.
Okay.
And click on plus button. Then we have to keep this in double quotes. In double quotes. Now let's use this.
The value we need to paste.
I mean, one more plus. I mean, one more plus in the beginning of student marks percentage C.
Where is that?
Notepad.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's try this if it's working or not. Okay. Now what you want to update? SMS to parents, right?
Hmm.
This is the formula. What is the value? Just use this formula. Okay, click on use that formula and save it. The formula expression is invalid. Why?
Close the double quotes at the end of the issues.
We have closed here now.
Okay, okay. Fine, fine.
Hmm. The expression of the formula.
I think before student name, we need to open one more double quotes, right? Student name should be under student marks percentage.
It's not required.
But
String
since
should
it
be.
is concatenating the string with the number, maybe. Yeah, go ahead, Pradeep. Sorry to cut you.
Try this one time. Wrong.
I think that should not be in quotes.
Closed brackets only, right? All my syntax, your child. Okay, you are. Okay. Okay. Extra. Your child. Okay. Going wrong here.
Your child should be end with quotes.
Why that? If I kept that, it is saying as extra. What is that extra? This one.
Uh,
Just let me. What is the way searching?
In the left, formula field limits and restrictions.
Yeah, 1 second. Okay, let's try it in another way. Dear parent, okay. Dear parent, your child is name. Then this you don't have to give this one, I believe. A plus God. So let's do this thing, yeah. We'll try make it very simple instead of doing that. Dear parent, please visit the university. We know the score of your child. Okay, let's try this way. This works. It's good. Then mhm. Okay.
Maybe make it all the things in a single line. Maybe let work or not. Plus plus.
Now it is working. Let's see how it works. What do you want to test?
Mark.
Okay, I'm not giving anything here, just clicking on save. See, we are getting the name, but there is no space. You can see this, right? Daniel. Okay, let's try it in another way. How it works. It's again coming in. I'll create another record. Our email is not going because the score is not below 40%, right?
We can give alternative email address, right, for that particular one. Email to the teacher.
No, that condition is different. If it is 40% or less marks, then only it will go. I'm providing email ID also, but it's not coming. Mail is not coming for me. Okay. Now here we are getting like this. Okay. What is the time now?
It's 8:09.
Let's look into the third condition. Okay, this will be an interesting one. Okay. Now what we want to do, we want to create a charter group. If the marks is greater than 75% and less than 100%, post a motivating message in the charter group for teacher. Okay. Charter group is something which is like a general discussion group where multiple people within the group will post their views and ideas or comments, right? Now, first of all, how to create a charter group? In the app launcher, you have to search charter. Okay. Now, we have to select this charter, not Salesforce charter. Okay. Here, click on the plus button to create a new group. Okay. The recent groups, there is a plus icon. Just click on this. What you want to mention? Teachers group, right? Access type, give it, make it as public, and then just click on save and next. If you want to upload any image, you can upload. Otherwise, click on next. If you want to add any group members, It says who has any people who was present in your org or teachers, then you can find them and add it here. Now we don't have any people. Okay, that's fine. Just click on done. Teacher group we have added, right? Now how to use this starter group? Now we have clone, right? Did we clone? Now what is the third condition? Greater than or equal to. Now tell me a condition. Marks percentage greater than or equal to 75. Marks percentage
Less than.
less than or equal to 100. Now all conditions should match. I don't want to run this for unnecessary data. Just click on save. Now what is the action we have to do? What action should I
Chat.
select here? Post to chatter.
Post to chat.
Okay. Which one we have to select? We have to send it to user or group. We have to. We are having two options. Whether we can directly post to a user using a notification, or otherwise we can select a charter group. Now I am selecting charter group. Now which charter group? Teacher group we have
Teacher.
created, so it is coming. We have to select this group. Now same way, let's create an appreciation message like this. What is that? Dear, now we want to, okay, let's not use this now. What is the name of the field? Teacher's name. Want to copy. See, we want to generate the name of the teacher dynamically, right? So I'm just copying it here, and dear name of the teacher. You are doing fantastic job. Your student.c underscore name as code marks percentage.
Student.
Student is name is all same. Just want to cross check the percentage. Already, I think last week only I thought of, last Friday we thought of discussing, and I made it ready for you. Okay. Now here, if you observe, we are not giving the quotations or double quotes. Why? Let's keep double quotes and see how it works. Okay. Get double quote, click on plus, and give double quotes. Click on plus. And click on double quotes. Just click on save. We didn't get any errors. just it got saved. Now let's activate it. Now let's create a new record. Student name, what's name? Got scored 78%. Teacher name is Y. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, now there is no SMS, no email, nothing. We want to check whether notification is sent to teachers group. Let's open teachers group. See, there is a notification here. When was it posted? Just now, right? But how we are getting this? Whatever you post over there, the same thing it is coming. Dear in the quotes plus, this is not good, right? So in the
Yes.
charter, when we are using the charter and posting this kind of dynamic content, we don't want to enter this double quotes or like that. Okay, just we have to get the merge fields and then use that message. Okay, now let's remove all that things and post it freshly. Okay. Save it. Activate. Now let's create another. And it will now save. Now I'll go to teachers group. See, now it is showing correctly, right? Dear Varma, you are doing fantastic job. Your student Rajesh has scored 88%. Instead of that, we can give percentage. Here percentage is not coming, but still we can enter like that in the text format. Got it?
There is previous post. Okay.
This is for teacher Naveen. This is for Varma. Okay.
Ah,
Now I'll give some assignment. I'll keep some notes or send that notes in the Salesforce. I'll prepare it and give it to you. Okay. Try to complete that assignment tomorrow.
Okay.
Same kind of things. We do it with another object. Okay. Like any airline industry like that, we have one example. I'll give the details in the drive, Google Drive, and or else in the Skype only. You just try these things. Okay.
Sure, Naveen.
Yeah. Try this one and that one also. These two scenarios. Okay.
Okay.
Then I'll also share some important questions around this process builder. See, okay, let's learn some important questions today. Okay, there are some advantages if you follow the best practices. What will happen? These things I have noted. How many total process? How many total active processes we can have in one org? We can have up to 2000 process builders, active process builders. Okay, in Salesforce org. So what are the limitations of process builder? So below our limitation, while creating process builder, if you do not handle properly, then there is a high chance that it will go into infinite loops. So infinite loops, to avoid, what we have to do?
Advanced set.
Where in which node we have to select that to avoid infinite loops? On
Action.
object node or on action node?
Action.
Action.
Criteria node or object node?
It's a criteria node only.
Here or here?
In the criteria condition.
See, on that day what I told you, the recursion to avoid multiple infinite loops, if you want to do it for only 610, limit it for 610, then we have to select this one. If you want to avoid unnecessary runs for default kind of data, some wrong data, or then we have to select this checkbox. Okay, so first one is the answer. Here we have to select in the student object node, we have to select to avoid infinite loops. Okay, and in complex projects 200 nodes in one process builder is not enough or possible. See, now how many nodes we have created? We have created only 3 nodes. 1, 2, 3. These are all the nodes, right? So what here they are telling, in any complex projects 200 nodes is the limit itself. So that is also not possible itself. That means the developers or admin may create up to 200 nodes also in the one process builder. Got it? So that's the limitation. 200 is the limitation for them. A process cannot have more than 50 versions. So we have to delete older versions, which we may need to maintain for tracking purpose. See, the cloning, versioning and all, right? There is a limitation over there also. We can clone up to 50 versions. After that, if you want to clone, it is not possible. We have to delete the older versions and then work on the new version. You understood this one? This point? We cannot show any screen in process builder for customer to enter data on the fly, the way we do it in the lightning flow. So this is all done in the backend process only, right? Dynamic content is not possible. Dynamic work actions are not possible. That is what they are telling. In the flows, the dynamic content is, if the customer enters something, then immediately some action is being taken or handled using the flows. But in process builder, customer will not know what is running in the backend. That is one limitation. We cannot delete any record in process builder. The way we can only create or update records. Yes. So what we are doing here, did we get any action here? Did we get any action to delete? Do we have any action here? We mostly had update records, post to chatter, SMS, sorry, uh, send a notification, post to chatter group, email, and then what is that? Some different 12, 13 records are there. But we don't have delete option, right? So in the process builder, we cannot delete any other record in the process builder using the other, but in the flows we can delete. Okay, these are some limitations. You are following me? Hello? Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
You understood the limitations? We have already discussed these all things. Okay?
I mean,
Yes, tell
we
me.
cannot edit the process builder also, right? We have to clone that and then we have to edit. direct
that's
addition,
that's the
it is also one.
that's why we have
It is
only
also.
version. That is again limitation. That is also one
Hmm.
limitation. This is also one limitation.
Okay.
Can we work on two objects at a time in process builder? No. But we can update the field of another connected
No.
object using relationship concept. This is again some deeper concept, not required. Can more than
No.
one version be active in one process builder?
No.
Have you seen that there are more than one active version in the process builder?
No, I think only recent version will be in active mode.
Yeah, only one version will be in active mode. All other will be in inactive mode. Okay. Okay, I'll create these questions and all these details in the drive, and also I will
Hmm.
give you one assignment. Try to complete it. Okay. Got it? We'll meet
Hmm.
tomorrow and see what you have done. Okay?
I mean, share the 29th file also. Notepad.
Yeah, I'll share.
Okay.
Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. We'll discuss security management tomorrow onwards. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Fine.